everyone, today I will tell you how to build a simple wine vane. First of all, what is a wine vane? A wine vane is a tool used to find out where the wine is coming from. It usually looks like an arrow or decorative pointer on a stick. The vine makes it spin, and the pointed end of the wine wheel always points into the vines. For example, if the arrow is pointing west, it means the wine is a west vine, blowing from the west. Let's move on to how to make it. We need a pencil with a eraser, pin or thumbtack, a straw, index card or paperboard, scissors, and glue. Here is how. First, cut your index card into the shapes shown. You should have a triangle point and arrow tail when finished. Second, cut a 1-inch slit in both ends of the straw. Third, insert a glue point on one side and the tail on the other side. Fourth, stick the pin through the middle of the straw and then into the pencil's eraser, making sure your straw can spin around easily. Experiment with your wine vane outside. As you can see here, the arrow part of the wine vane points east, meaning the wind is blowing from the east. In this location, although the tip of the wine vane initially points in a different direction, it eventually points to northwest. So what's happening? As the wine hits your wine vane, it will push the larger tail surface, causing the smaller surface area of the arrow to point at the direction the wine is coming from. This direction can tell you what the weather is going to be like depending on where you live and what direction a storm will travel. Wine is identified by the direction from which it comes. So easterly wind comes from the east and blows out the west, and northerly wind comes from the north and blows toward the south.